Welcome, and my name is Neffos C7s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pry off the back cover of the device. So you have a little pull tab on the bottom right side. Now I already primarily took it all off, so it will come off easily. And from here, you will need to take out the battery, and you have access to the SD tray right here, like so. And then you have the space for SIM card. There will go one, and the second one goes right here the same way. And once you have it all in there, you can just pop the battery back in and turn the device back on. And there's the pin for the SIM card, so let me put that in. And you can see there's also the SD card. So both of them are working, and that is how we would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.